Showing you my car. It's sick, it's pissed, it's revolting, it's insulting. I'm out here. There's my car going into the gym. Was out here showing you what the gym looks like. It's pretty busy. Going into the gym. Busybody. Gym West. Next time I'll go to East. We'll shoot a video at East. Probably tomorrow, the next day. Probably tomorrow. We'll get some more footage. A couple videos thrown out. I've been kind of lazy lately. Haven't hyped it up. But I'm definitely going to get in the gym and do a workout. Alright, peace out. So I'm about ready to go to the gym. Sick, it's pissed, revolting, headed inside. Gonna get my workout on. Here in the gym. About ready to hit my workout. Sick, it's pissed, it's revolting, insulting. Calum Von Vogel, giving you a shout out, a lot of love. Today, about to explain, I did 30 minutes of cardio this morning. 20 to 30 minutes of cardio. Burned about 350 calories. Did it at like 4 speed, 15 incline, so I did that. Just want to let you know that today I'm working out chest, triceps, biceps, abs. Gonna hit a killer workout. Just want to let you know that people don't realize how much I struggle every day getting in the best shape of my life because of my disorders and my disabilities, but I definitely do try. I look a lot leaner.
You want these back there?
Leaner.
Back there for you?
No, I'm going to put it here.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
the cabin.
I'm the one that put it here.
Oh, okay.
We're definitely trying our
I'm going to
best.
carry it for you.
Yeah, thanks.
Did you see our...
I got the flyers.
Good.
And those are not the ones that were supposed to.
No, the other ones are on the computer, which we emailed to everybody. These, the next batch I do will have your logo and.
Let you know, I was born in Northridge,
The front will stay the same.
California,
This because I'm going to make sure this survey. I did this, and that comes in.
Northridge.
That's coming from the show in there.
And I was born in Northridge, California, February 26th, 1985. When I was 1 or 2 years old, I had febrile seizures, would cause slight chemical imbalances in my brain, would cause disorders, disability, whatever you call it, troubles with bookwork. So I don't have a lot of friends. Never been really saying social with people, but today is a good day, and we're gonna go work out. This is for you pinworm averagers. I'm coming for you. Show, all right, peace out. The situation with being average rich is gonna go down July 4th. I'm gonna get him. Pinworm's going down today. I had a good day. I played some video games. Very good day. Tonight I did a little chest. Showed you a little bit of arm exercise. Doing good. Doing real good. So, got tickets to the gun show, Average Rich. Going down. Pinworm looking extra lean for you. So, July 1st, I get into LA. I go to the 7th. I'm going to go to San Diego. I'm going to go to Venice. I'm going to go to, Venice. Going to go to Sunset Boulevard. Going to go to the Walk of Fame, Martin Canyon. Sick, it's pissed. Pinworm, I'm coming for you. Pinworm. week from the dieting, fans. I did the biceps, chest, hip that, big workout. Gym room, going down to my get you, maybe had a good workout.